What's the meaning of concept? Concept. Concept.
Concept. Concept. A concept is a general idea or understanding of something, often abstract or theoretical in nature. It represents a mental construct that helps individuals organize their perceptions and knowledge about the world into meaningful categories. Concepts can be used to create models, theories, and systems that explain complex phenomena, or they can serve as the building blocks for more elaborate ideas. In short, concepts are essential tools for human cognition and communication that enable us to think and communicate about the world around us in a meaningful way.